Why is an emergency fund vital for college financial planning? Imagine facing an unexpected expense right in the middle of your college journey. It could be a sudden medical bill, a car breakdown, or losing part-time work. Without a backup, these surprises can cause real stress. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a dedicated stash of cash set aside to handle surprises without wrecking your financial plans. For students, it's especially important because college life can be unpredictable. Having an emergency fund means you can cover 3 to 6 months of essential costs like tuition, rent, food, and transportation. For example, if your rent is $500 a month and your food costs are $300, your emergency fund should ideally hold between $4,000 and $8,000. This amount gives you a cushion if your income suddenly stops or if unexpected expenses pop up. It keeps you from relying on high-interest credit cards or loans, which can trap you in debt and slow down your financial progress. From an investment perspective, an emergency fund helps protect your long-term savings. If you have investments in private equity or other growth assets, you don't want to sell them prematurely just because of an emergency. Liquidating investments can interrupt the power of compounding, which is how investments grow over time. Keeping cash on hand ensures you won't have to sell investments at a bad time, preserving your future growth. Starting an emergency fund also encourages good savings habits. It teaches discipline because you need to set aside a little money regularly. These habits are useful later when managing more complex investment portfolios. Plus, knowing you have a safety net reduces anxiety. You can focus more on your studies and less on financial worries, making your college experience smoother. Building this fund early on creates a strong foundation for future financial planning. It helps you become more resilient and prepared for life after college. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or planning investments, having an emergency fund makes your financial journey more secure. It's a simple step that offers peace of mind and keeps your long-term goals on track.